In this video, we'll see together le présent de l'indicatif, and more precisely, we will see when it is used to present the action in progress. So, présent de l'indicatif can be used to present the action in progress, and so we'll see, of course, few examples. Il travaille dans son bureau. So as you can see, in that situation, we want to emphasize on the fact that he's working right now, and it's taking place, and it's in progress. Il travaille dans son bureau. So the verb is travailler, and it's conjugated in the present, in the third person of the singular. Je prépare le repas. Je prépare le repas. Same thing here. It's taking place right now and it's in progress. The verb is préparer, regular verb, and it's conjugated in the first person of the singular je prépare. Elle regarde un film dans le salon. Same thing here, it's taking place right now, it's in progress, so the verb is regarder, and then it's conjugated in the third person of the plural, elle regarde. Elle regarde un film dans le salon. Elle prend sa douche. Same thing here, it's taking place right now and it's in progress. Elle prend sa douche. The verb is prendre, a tricky verb from the third group, so take the time to review the conjugation if you're not sure about it. And it's the third person of the singular, elle prend. Elle prend sa douche.